Hey guys, it's day 4. Stay tuned. We got some good activities going on today. I'll be right with you.
Oh yeah.
About to be lovely. I just wanted you guys to see this. Their lights turn yellow before it turns green.
Yes.
Versus ours turn yellow before it makes you stop. Turns red. See, look, it's turning yellow, now green. Ain't that something else, yo?
If you want lunch or anything. The
Okay.
boating side is here.
Cool.
Go down and you can buy tickets if you want. Or you can just walk around if you like.
Cool.
And the castle's just here, see? Right off. So you walk down from that side.
Oh yeah, this
down
is
here.
definitely a castle.
Go inside the castle. I'd like to go inside.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
First thing I want to do.
I will drop you right outside the castle,
Thank you.
the entrance.
So I can go to all these little stores and get my souvenirs.
Yeah, a lot of shops here now, souvenirs.
Good.
Yes.
We're talking about how well they built the buildings.
Oh, they closed the road off here. Normally I'll drop you on the left.
No, you're fine.
So where all these people are walking?
The castle.
Yeah, that's why the ladies say you all are going to have a good day.
That trash now.
There are 100 stores to go to.
Right. King and Queen gift shop.
There's some of that stuff from Jesus time still underground.
Right.
So when we were buying, she would have gotten her.
I don't know. Maybe she misunderstood. I don't know what she got going on.
She would have taken the US dollars and changed it. It would have changed.
Right.
That was what we were going to give.
We about to get in, show him this gentleman our tickets. And we up in there. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Right. We in there. Yeah, that sun did it. Oh yeah, they're about to scan our tickets in up here. To get in the castle, it's like the airport. You gotta make sure you don't have nothing on you. We got metal detectors, we got stuff going through here. Like, this is the castle, this is serious. So, they definitely got this system going.
Where we going? Behind these people here.
Castle. Let's go to the castle, man. Yeah. What's that? What they doing over there? To the castle. Yep. I think these are triplets.
One of the dancers.
Yeah.
When we, she took me and Mommy to see the favorite schools in downtown.
Oh, okay.
And we were crossing the street.
Yeah.
And Mommy took my hand back.
Yeah, guys, look how beautiful it is. We are currently entering right after we get past this front gate. The castle. Huh? I know. We're going on the moat path. These kids are funny. Yeah. We got the guards. Huh? Oh yeah. I already got this is my 6th one. I'm doing different ones. Each day is a different one. We got the cannons up there, guys. If there was anybody trying to destroy here, they had that artillery on deck. King Charles. The gods are changing. Oh my gosh. This...
With that, catch the cards.
That's what I was doing. You just told me to look over there. I was just doing this and you told me to do something. Yeah.
Okay.
I wanted to take a picture next to that pool, but yeah, let's do what he's doing. This is how we do my things around here. You see, everything is synchronized out here.
That's a little bit.
Oh, I'm gonna sweat all day. It don't even matter. It's over. I already broke a sweat, so it's gonna continue happening. That's not how these shoes go. I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Maybe, oh, the door is down. Yeah, they left them in from now. They just. See it?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at that drop. People was coming to try to do something. This cannon is gonna wipe them right out. Wow. Wow. All right, so sorry guys, we went to the King and Queen's chambers and they didn't allow any video in there. Couldn't take pictures or nothing, so now we're back outside. We was in there for like an hour, so stay tuned, I'll be back. This is the steps where Henry came down when he was getting married. It's the chapel. These guys had their names on their doors. It's Mr. Von Wright. Yeah.
See?
And we got military over there. The Royal Windsor Station. Established in 1897. When you come here, they tell you to wear the damn shorts. What? What's going on? You getting on it? What's up, guys? So we're coming to the close of the day. Well, not really the close of the day, but the area that we're in, we're coming to the close of it. And we're currently about to go on a boat ride for 40 minutes, so stay tuned. We're already in the water, but we ain't go nowhere yet. So yeah.
This is the only thing which you throw overboard. All rubbish must be placed in the bins provided before taken ashore. Finally, as with all our public sailings, there is to be no smoking on any part of this boat.
I can see their
Your
feet.
cooperation, and if you have any questions or if there is anything you can do to make the trip more enjoyable, please do not hesitate to ask a member of staff. We have a well-stocked bar on
We are here with the
situated
ducks.
in the lower deck towards the rear of the boat. This will be open. Rowing is a popular
Some people are just
activity
laying
at
out
Eton.
chilling.
Boys choosing either that or cricket as their summer sport. Those who choose
What are they,
cricket are known
bathing?
as dry bobs, whilst the rowers are called wet bobs. In the Battle of Britain by squadron leader John Grandy, who was constable and governor of Windsor Castle at 727 miles per hour. Cam's final design was the Harrier, which remained in RAF service for 50 years until 2010, and is still flown by the US Marines as the AV-8 Creed. Ahead of us is the Windsor Railway Bridge, being one of several across the Thames designed by Isambard Camille Brunel, the famous Victorian engineer. The bridge was completed in 1849 for Queen Victoria, and it brought the Great Western Railway network right up to the front of Windsor Castle. The design of this bridge was unique in its day, as were many of Brunel's designs. This one because the 187-foot central span is not secured to the sides in any way. It simply rests there under its own weight on 6 bearings, allowing for expansion and contraction of the ironworks during temperature changes. This type of span is known as a bowstring arch, and the brick viaduct was constructed between 1861 and 1865, replacing the original wooden trestle structure. The arches were incorporated into the design to prevent floodwater from being trapped on the upstream side in the event of the Thames bursting its banks. It's also believed to be Brunel's oldest surviving structure still in continuous use, and was granted Grade 2 listed status in 1975. In 1883, Windsor Central Station became part of the London Underground network, when the District line was extended from Ealing Broadway to Windsor, using the tracks of the Great Western Railway. However, this was short-lived, as the service was withdrawn in 1885. The land to our left forms part of Barb's Island, so called because in the days before Windsor had a purpose-built swimming pool, the channel behind the island was closed to boats during the summer months, providing the people of Windsor with a safe swimming area. In 1870, Queen Victoria disapproved of the sight of bathers from the Royal Train and had them moved to the downstream end of the island. Then in 1904, the area by the railway was used again, but this time with men on the downstream side of the bridge, the eastern baths, and ladies upstream in the western baths. To our left is the Windsor Leisure Centre, being the current incarnation of Windsor swimming facility. It replaces an earlier outdoor pool. The centre stands on the site of the once famous Ricky Tick Club of the 1960s. The Ricky Tick was a well-known live music venue in its day. It started out at the Star and Garter at Windsor Town Centre in 1962, before moving to a semi-derelict mansion on this site called Poor Meads in 1964. Many of today's major acts, such as The Who, the Rolling Stones, Stevie Wonder and Pink Floyd, made some of their early appearances here, and it was at the Ricky Tick that the previously unheard of Jimi Hendrix made his UK debut. The mural coming up on our right, stretching across the base of the bridge, was commissioned in 2012 as part of the London Olympic Games, as it is on what was known as the Windsor Games Walk, the Dawn Lake about 2 miles upstream. The venue hosted the rowing and canoe sprint events. Painted by London artist Cosmo Sarti, the mural depicts 16 faces representative of the young people of today. We're now passing White Lilies Island to our left. The name is misleading as it is in fact a plot of land forming the downstream end of a much larger island. This plot was sold for development by the owners of Poor Boat Yard in 1957 for £7,000. The land and 5 houses on it are now estimated to be worth well in excess of 20 million. Past residents include the Australian singer and actress Natalie Imbruglia, who in fact called one of
Nature claimed that.
Several boat clubs inside with ladies aboard, as in those days the boys used to swim naked in the style of the ancient Greeks, hence the name Athens. Looking to our left now, through the trees, we can see across the track at Windsor Racecourse. And in the distance, the tops of some boats may be visible. This is the Windsor Racecourse yacht base, situated on the Mill Street which forms Ways Island. As we travel along the tree-lined banks of the Thames, there is an abundance of bird life to be found. Among the most common is the mallard duck, the male of which has the unfortunate combination of a green head and orange feet. Less common are tufted ducks with their bright yellow eyes showing clearly against a black head, which has a small tail at the back. In some parts there are families of
You see the grass all in this water.
now officially recognised as one of the world's cleanest metropolitan rivers, that is to say one which flows through major towns and cities. This was not always the case though. In the 1800s the river was so badly polluted that it was declared dead in the London area, and that no fish or bird life could survive in or around the water. The smell of the river was unbearable to those who lived or worked near it. Diseases such as typhoid and cholera were rife, and this period was known as the Great. First laid the foundations of Windsor Castle.
You said what happened? Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? It's been a long day. We have 1 day left. I repeat, 1 day. We have 2 nights, but 1 day for, you know, entertaining stuff, fun stuff. Because Sunday, we got to be at the airport at 4. So really Sunday is going to be nothing but just chilling here in the motel and stuff of that nature. Tomorrow, we're on the way to try to see Big Ben, okay? So y'all stay tuned. It is not a game. We are going here for you and me, okay? So right now, currently, let me show y'all the current situation. Y'all know what that is. I had to get another one. But just let me give y'all a recap of what happened today. So basically, we got picked up this morning. We went to a place called Windsor. We was in Windsor, England today. We wasn't in London, we was in Windsor. And it was pretty dope. We took a river ride, as y'all seen. We went around a lot of stores, got some gifts. I didn't really record that because I wanted my phone to stay alive a little bit. It actually still died, but yeah, it would have died quicker if I would have been recording all of that. But yeah, just bear with me right now. I'm drinking a little drink. Soon we'll be in the jacuzzi. Stay tuned. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes you just gotta be smart. These people is buying drinks from a bar. I go to the liquor store, get my own drink. I come here and I tell them, hey, put some ice in my cup. They say, okay. And then I'm filling my shit up with my drink. She's so big. Third cup.